I wanted to make something yummy for my family. So I decided to go with velvet meat and Asian stir-fry. What you'll need is a kilogram of non-fatty meat, 2 pounds. Slice the meat with the grain into strips, and then cut the meat into thin slices in the other direction, against the grain. Let soak in water and 2 TBS of baking soda for 20 minutes to half an hour. Prepare a marinade. Ratios: cornstarch 2 teaspoons to 1 kilogram meat. Sesame oil 4 teaspoons to 1 kilogram meat. Egg white 2 to 1 kilogram meat. Soy sauce 2 teaspoons to 1 kilogram meat. Teriyaki sauce 1 teaspoon to 1 kilogram meat. Salt and white pepper to taste. Let marinade for 20 minutes to half an hour. Let's make the sauce. Dice a cube of ginger. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1.5 cups of orange juice. Add 2 TBS of soy sauce. Add 1 TBS of brown sugar. Get your wok heated up. No, I'm just kidding. I don't own a wok. So in order to save oil, I'm going to deep fry the meat in a small pot for about a minute. Remove and reuse the oil to fry the veg. Be creative. I used carrots, zucchini, red pepper, onion, and added the sprouts after so they still get a crunch. I would have added a hot pepper, but then my family wouldn't have touched it. Gotta pick your battles. Remove veg. Bring out your wok, tricked you, and boil sauce down till thick. Add veg and meat and boil evenly till it all is cooked in the sauce. Add some more cornstarch and water mix to thicken sauce. Remove meat and veg. Let sauce boil down again after getting liquids from meat and veg. Add to dish. The meat should just fall apart. Check it out. Absolutely delish. Best served on white rice. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content as much as I am.